Slow and steady wins the race.
Now it's time for a famous story of the boy who cried wolf. There was once a shepherd boy who wanted to get some attention. He cried, "Wolf, wolf," although no wolf was in sight. The townspeople rushed to save. They got very angry when they found out they had been tricked. The next day the boy cried, "Wolf, wolf." Again the townspeople returned. The next day a wolf did appear. When the boy cried, "Wolf, wolf," nobody believed him. And the wolf ate up his sheep. And that's the story of the boy cried. The moral of the story is lies are not to be believed.
But what about the story of the boy called Ralph?
A boy called Ralph? Yeah, haven't you heard the boy who never learned his sounds?
Androcles and the lion is also Aesop's best-known fable. A man named Androcles was walking through a forest when he ran into a lion. He was frightened, and then he noticed the lion was covered with thorns. The lion asked Androcles to help.